Welcome to the best picks. The best Trailblazer headlights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your vehicle. They significantly enhance your visibility, ensuring safer driving in various conditions. Whether you're navigating dimly lit streets, facing adverse weather, or tackling off-road adventures, upgrading your headlights can make a world of difference. Join me as we dive into the best options available and what to consider before making your purchase. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Trailblazer. This headlight assembly is compatible with 2002 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer models, excluding the 2006 to 2009 LT models. It also fits 2002 to 2006 Chevy Trailblazer EXT with a full-width grille. The high beam uses HB3 9005 bulbs, and the low beam uses HB4 9006 bulbs. Bulbs are not included. The housing is fully sealed with solid silicone and designed with one-way vents. This prevents moisture from getting trapped inside, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or moisture issues in any weather. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide increased light output. This creates a broader and smoother beam, improving visibility. The beam angle can be adjusted about plus or minus 3 degrees. The side microprism reflector helps other drivers and pedestrians quickly notice you at night. This enhances safety on the road, making sure everyone can see you. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are highly resistant to shock and vibration. This ensures the product can withstand tough road conditions. Professional installation is highly recommended. What we like. This headlight assembly features a fully sealed design with one-way vents, ensuring no moisture gets trapped inside. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide a broader and smoother beam, enhancing visibility. If you frequently drive in challenging weather conditions or prioritize safety, you should consider this one. What people say. These new headlight assemblies fit our 2014 Impala V6 RS perfectly and look great. These lights came packaged very well. There were no cracks or defects. The seals on them were all good. It has been raining where I live and no water has gotten in. The bulbs were included. They were exact fit and are actually an upgrade to projection lights. They look great and the build quality is very good. Number 4. DWVO Headlights for Chevy Trailblazer 2002 to 2009. Are you looking to upgrade your Chevy Trailblazer's headlights? These DWVO headlight assemblies are designed for a perfect fit. They improve visibility and driving safety. These headlights are compatible with 2002 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer models with full-width grilles. High and low beam bulbs are required, but not included. Please note that it does not fit LT models. The integrated metallized reflectors increase light distance. This helps you see better in any dusky conditions. The beam angle can also be adjusted. The fully sealed structure prevents moisture from entering. This ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or dust storms. You can count on it in various weather conditions. These headlights are constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses. They provide great protection against road debris and impacts. The high-impact housing also withstands shock and vibration. These headlights are a direct replacement and come as a pair. Professional installation is highly recommended. The driver and passenger sides are included. What we like. This headlight assembly boasts integrated metallized reflectors for increased light distance, improving visibility. The fully sealed structure prevents moisture, offering reliable service in various weather conditions. If you are looking for enhanced visibility and durability for your off-road adventures, you should consider this one. What people say. They look like the OEM for my 2015 Silverado and were easy to install. What a difference. I hadn't realized how little light my old headlights shed until they were replaced with these. Amazing difference. Everything in this transaction was exactly as described. Our Chevy Cobalt has 200,000 miles and the headlights were covered with a milky fog. The parts are brand new. They sparkle and shine and fit the vehicle perfectly. Number 3. Auto Dynasty Headlights for Chevy Trailblazer. These headlights are designed for 2002 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer and 2002 to 2006 Trailblazer EXT models. They are a perfect fit for vehicles with a full-length grille bar. Make sure this is the right fit for your car. Made with high-quality sealed ABS plastic and durable polycarbonate, this assembly is built to last. It offers excellent resistance to impact and water, ensuring a long lifespan in any condition. Installation is a breeze with the direct bolt-on, plug-and-play design. No modifications or drilling are needed, making it an ideal replacement for your old headlights. The set includes both driver and passenger side lights. These headlights significantly improve brightness, allowing you to see the road clearly at night or in bad weather. Better visibility helps you avoid accidents, making your driving safer. The headlight uses halogen bulbs with reflector beam type. The high beam uses 9005 and low beam uses 9006 bulbs, which are included. The housing color is black, and the lens is clear. The OEM part numbers and parts link numbers are also listed. What we like. This headlight features a solid waterproof design made of high-quality sealed ABS plastic and durable polycarbonate material. It offers easy, direct bolt-on installation with a plug-and-play style. If you like a hassle-free installation and want to improve your visibility, you should consider this one. What people say. Once installed and set, the low beam spread very well and threw off a lot of light. The headlights are very attractive and also look very good when looking into the lens with the lights on, from a distance. Great fit for a 2005 Trailblazer. Came with bulbs. Easy and fast to install. No condensation. Nice quality. Looks great. Number 2. AKKON Chevy Trailblazer Headlights Pair. Upgrade your 2002 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer with these AKKON headlights. This pair is a direct replacement, designed for a perfect fit on your vehicle. The package includes both the left, driver side, and right, passenger side, headlights. You'll receive everything you need for a full replacement. Installation is simple with a direct bolt-on design. No wiring or modifications are required, making the process hassle-free. These headlights are brand new and come with a 90-day limited warranty. This ensures the quality and your satisfaction with the product. Please note that bulbs are typically not included with these headlights. However, some manufacturers may occasionally include them. What we like. This headlight is a direct bolt-on replacement for your original headlights, requiring no wiring or modifications. It comes as a pair, including both driver and passenger sides. If you are looking for a simple, straightforward upgrade, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit, great price, easy to install. 2006 Trailblazer. 19 years had headlights a bit damaged from sunlight. Looks like new now. Worked perfectly. I bought light assembly from another seller and those were all defective and broken, but this seller's lights worked great. They were in great shape. I have 2 sets for 2 different vehicles from these guys and they always have great products. Installed on 2005 Chevy Trailblazer LT. I watched YouTube videos on how to remove the grille and headlight assemblies. The beam adjustments are just like OEM. Number 1. AmeriLite Chevy Trailblazer LT Black Headlights Pair. These headlights are designed specifically for 2006 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer LT models. They are a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. These headlights fit 06-09 Chevy Trailblazer LT models with 1/2 width grille style only. Installation is easy, with no modifications required. The headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian regulations. You can be assured of their quality and safety. This is a new aftermarket part, and the set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. It's a complete set for your convenience. These headlights are made in Taiwan, guaranteeing the quality. They are designed to enhance both the look and safety of your Trailblazer. What we like. This headlight is specifically designed for 2006 to 2009 Chevy Trailblazer LT models. It meets or exceeds all US and Canadian regulations. If you have an LT model and want a compliant, easy to install headlight, you should consider this one. What people say. Once installed, aligning them was a breeze and they look amazing. They really give these older vehicles a newer look. The low beams are projector that look pretty amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.